Hello and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the mobile application for the Client Dispute Manager. This feature is going to save you a lot of time. It is a mobile version of the client tracking portal, so your clients can log in with their phone, they can check their progress, the status of the credit report in there. Now let me show you what you can do and how you can manage the client tracking portal. So this right here, this is a client tracking portal, and your customers can see everything here inside the mobile app. They can send documents, messages, they can see some educational links right here, and they could also send a referral. Now, how can your customers get access to the mobile app? So your customers can download it on Google Play. They could just search the client tracking portal with the CP logo. Also on App Store. So this is the manual way of doing it. If you want your clients to receive an email with the link, you can create a manual email inside the software. Then you just need to attach these links onto those manual email so that they would have access once you send them the email. So that's the manual way to do it. But we've automated this process for you automatically so that you don't have to do it the manual way. Let me show you how to do it. So from the dashboard, you just have to go to Customers. What I'm going to show you right now is how you can get your customers access onto the client tracking portal. So let me just change the filter right here. So when your customers come in and you added them into the software, they're going to be in a no portal access status. When you change them to active status, the system will send them a welcome to the client tracking portal email. Now in that email, at the bottom part, there's an Apple icon and a Play Store icon where they can download the mobile app. So if you change this client, change it to active, so they will automatically receive an email about their client tracking portal. Now the other option is to go to the send email icon, which is right here still on their customer's screen. So from here, you just have to click on the send email icon, then go to the manual templates drop down, and you'll see the mobile app link email right here. Once you click on that, it will send an email to your customers and it will let them know that they can download the mobile app. Now let's say you don't want to send them the mobile app link anymore to your clients. So you could actually just basically edit the welcome to the client tracking portal email and remove the links. You can do that under the manage emails screen. Then what if you want to send a bulk email to all of your clients to let them know that you have the mobile app? So what you need to do is to go to Company, then go to Manage Emails. So once you're on the Manage Emails screen, at the very top there's a Send Bulk Emails icon. So you just have to click on that, then select the manual templates drop down and look for the mobile app link email. So right here, just click on that, then check the active customers. So this is where the emails is going to be sent. It's going to be for all of your active customers. So just click on that and send bulk emails, and it will send out email to all of your active customers, letting them know that they can download a mobile app of the client tracking portal. So that would complete our quick training tutorial on how to manage and send links for the new client tracking portal mobile app.